Protocols to follow during the live streaming class. Respect everyone. Agree to recognize and abide the protocols in the live stream and respect the feelings, rights, or traditions of each and every one. No hate speech. Do not express or discourage violence towards a person or group based on something such as race, religion, sex, or sexual orientation. Be guided with the anti-cyberbullying law. Make sure that everyone feels safe. Bullying of any kind isn't allowed. And regarding comments about things such as race, religion, culture, sexual orientation, gender, or identity will not be tolerated. No promotion of products or items. Give more to this group than you take. Selling of products, self-promotion, spam, and irrelevant links aren't allowed. Use appropriate words in giving suggestions, comments, and queries. We're all in this together to create a welcoming environment. Let's treat everyone with respect. Healthy debates are natural, but kindness is required. After the FB live streaming, attend discussion class in the FB Messenger classroom with the subject teacher. Maximize the features of FB Messenger to be used in FB Messenger classrooms such as text chat, audio calls, video rooms, and multiple screen sharing. I hope everyone will be guided by the protocols for us to maintain order during our session. Thank you!